Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Microsoft Store error 0xC002001B on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to set the correct date and time. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side, select Date and Time. Make sure that all these three options are selected. Then click on Sync Now and wait till you get a tick mark here. The second solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Now search for Store in the Windows search bar and click on this downward pointing arrow. Select App Settings. So scroll down. First of all, terminate the store process, then click on Repair to repair it. Wait till you get the tick here, and then click on Reset and reset once again. And wait till you get the tick here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.